Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Which of the following is not a constituent of biogas? Your right answer is carbon monoxide. Which part of the brain regulates breathing? Your right answer is medulla. The center of reflecting surface of a spherical mirror is a point called the. Your right answer is pole. Which of these rivers primarily flow in South Africa? Your right answer is Orange River. Who is the CEO of Cognizant Technology Solution AG for February 2018? Your right answer is Francisco de Souza. Dash present in the center of a flower form the female reproductive part. Your right answer is carpel. Which of the following is an anthropology museum that present in ingredient story of the evolution of man and culture with special reference to India? Your right answer is the Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Manav Sangrhalaya IGRMS. Which actor played the role of social activist Arunachalam Muruga in the biopic movie Padman? Your right answer is Akshay Kumar. Select the incorrect set of molecular formula IUPAC name common name from the following option. Your right answer is C2H3OH methanol methyl alcohol. What is the value of acceleration due to gravity on the surface of Earth? Your right answer is 9.8 meter per second square. The Dhola Sadhya Bridge dedicated to the nation by Prime Minister Narendra Modi is built across which river? The Dhola Sadhya Bridge dedicated to the nation by Prime Minister Narendra Modi is built across which river? Your right answer is Lohit River. Name the character in Maharashtra who was blessed with the divine vision to see the Mahabharat battle and explain in sense by sense to the blind king Dhritarashtra. Your right answer is Sanjay. Which of the following element was the last element in Newland's law of octaves? Your right answer is thorium. A section of DNA that provides information for one protein is called the dash. Your right answer is gene. Name the former world silver medalist representing Manipur who claimed gold in the 48 kg category at the 2018 National Women's Boxing Championship in Rohtak. Your right answer is Sarjuvala Devi. The organs that have the same basic structure or same basic design but different function are called. Your right answer is homologous organ. Name the Sikkim Chief Minister who was honored with the Sustainable Development Leadership Award by the Energy and Resource Institute. Your right answer is Pawan Chamling. In which modern Indian state are the area of Konkan, Marathwada and Vidarbha located? Your right answer is Maharashtra. Name the autobiography of Sanjay Manjrekar, the former Indian batsman turned commentator, which has launched in Mumbai on 17 January 2018. Your right answer is imperfect. Which gas is released when bleaching powder is added to water? Your right answer is chlorine. For whom has the Union government launched the accessibility e-library Sugamya Pustakalaya in New Delhi under Prime Minister Sugamya Bharat Abhiyan? Your right answer is visually impaired. Who is the director of the Filmfare Award winning movie Dangal starring Amir Khan? Your right answer is Nitesh Tiwari. A ball thrown up vertically returned to the ground after 10 seconds. Find the velocity with which it was thrown up if acceleration due to gravity is given by 10 meter per second square. Small g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Your right answer is 100 meter per second. Velocity is equal to 100 meter per second. A certain household has consumed 320 unit of energy during a month. How much energy is this in joules? Your right answer is 1152 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Brass is an alloy made of copper and zinc. The breakdown of glucose to pyruvate takes place in the dash during energy production. Your right answer is cytoplasm. Which of the following has the largest sized atom? Your right answer is aluminum. Reliance Jio informed Ltd is planning to launch its own cryptocurrency called. Your right answer is GeoCoin. Identify the venue of India's first tribal entrepreneurship summit held in November 2017. Your right answer is Dantewada, Chhattisgarh. What is the compound formed when Ag plus and Cl minus combine? Your right answer is silver chloride. Which of the following is not a simple permanent tissue? Your right answer is xylem. Who among the following is India's left arm spinner who is lone cricketer to feature in both the ODI and T20 team of the year announced by the ICC? Your right answer is Ekta Bist. What is the molecular formula of calcium phosphate? Your right answer is Ca3PO4 2. 1 kilowatt hour is the amount of electric energy consumed when 1 kilowatt power is used for 1 hour in an electric circuit. Express it in joules. Your right answer is 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Who is the only president in US history till date to have served 2 non-consecutive terms as US president? Your right answer is Grover Cleveland. In which Indian city is the headquarters of the Coir board located? Your right answer is Kochi. Kacheguda railway station, India's first energy efficient aluminum A1 category railway stations, is situated in which of the following state? Telangana. Kacheguda railway station, India's first energy efficient A1 category railway station, is situated in which of the following state? Your right answer is Telangana. Which of the following is a chemical reaction? Your right answer is butter turning rancid. Who among the following scientists postulated the law of constant proportion? Your right answer is Joseph Proust. I hope you like this section. If you hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, you cannot reach your goal. This is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.